What's up? Hey, that's pretty sweet looking.
So we've done a couple of shots.
I like the tire combination.
Yeah, that looks good. So I made a clip, and some different things have happened over the past couple months besides the holidays. A couple things with my phone, lost a couple video clips, and so on. So these, yes, that is the new name of the Build a Better TJ project. We're going to name it Rubikid. So we're going to cut off the CON and put kid with 2 D's. Right. So in one of the video clips, we shot a little bit of video, and let's just tell you guys right now. So these are the black Rhino. I don't remember the exact name of the
I
rim.
already forgot.
Well, I know they're a beadlock.
Yeah, I forgot what they're actually called.
But if you go on their website, they don't have that many rim options. So it should stand out when you go on the page. When you click on beadlocks, they only sell like 4 different ones. So
these rims are absolutely gorgeous in person.
And these are so that's a 17 by -38 offset.
Yep.
By 4.5.
Right. Yeah, we just kept the standard Jeep TJ bolt pattern.
Yeah, 4.5 bolt pattern, and then
5 by 4.5.
This is a beadlock. This is not a rash ring. So, and then for the tires, we have the Yokohama Geolander XMTs. This is a true 35-inch.
Yeah.
Like almost a little bit over almost. And love the tread pattern.
Yeah.
Good tire.
So tell me about these back tires back here. What you got going on back here?
This is where the Jeep story began with us. These are the road slicks. These are the never air down because you may smash your oil pan road slicks.
Not on this Jeep. These actually came.
Well, I guess the front is.
These right here came on my Jeep. Yeah. So, I actually want to tell them a little bit about Vader. There, hopefully we're gonna walk outside, so hopefully we don't get blasted by bright light. Not bad. When we bought Vader, because this, of course, this used to be Harley's. Vader had those Sahara wheels with the we call them street slicks, but they were essentially a car tire. But that Jeep has a near perfect body on it. I mean, there's there's no rust whatsoever. Heard a sound in there, not sure what that was. But either way, going back to, hey, what are you looking at?
Check out look at the toils here. He's really getting some, you always really taking a toll on these toils.
Yeah, here's what it is. They're all gonna tear up if you're using.
This tire looks good up here.
So, when we originally went to look at this Jeep, it had the tube bumpers on it.
Yeah.
And I tell you what, I mean, you're looking at original stickers. This thing is just a really, really solid Jeep. The guy that sold it to us actually deals in Jeeps, but he really didn't think we'd want it. I crawled up underneath it, looked this Jeep all over, but it had those tube bumpers.
It had the tubes and it had the bumpers on the front and the rear. They were totally rusted out.
Yeah, they were dangling.
Yeah.
And
the one was like dangling down here, dragging on the asphalt.
I remember telling him, I was like, this is a solid vehicle. And he looked at us and he's like, okay. You have to understand, born and raised in Michigan, I know what rust looks like. And so I didn't care about the stupid tube bumpers, the China trash comes over that's already half rusted through before you even bolt it on your vehicle. But so yeah, I didn't care about that. We were going to take all that off. I was looking at the frame, the tub, everything. Either way, we get a ton of compliments on this Jeep, especially out on the trail. People are like, "That's too nice to be on the trail." Whatever.
Yeah.
So
looks good.
Yeah, let's get back in there. Look at yours.
So we a little while ago. I got it painted, so it's not red and gray anymore.
So let me see. We'll put this on. We gotta take it back off. What do we gotta do?
So these are the Metal Cloak. I don't think we've covered this, have we? These are the Metal Cloak 4-inch rear fender flares, and
so we're gonna pull it off and undercoat underneath,
yes,
them, right? So that's the next portion.
We're gonna do like a bed liner, a light bed liner, and I can show you guys one of the rock sliders right here.
Well, we can show them. Well, all right.
Here's one of the rock sliders.
Yep. So it's a Metal Cloak rock slider, and he has the entire front Metal Cloak assembly. That's all aluminum for the front. Other than that, this thing's ready to go.
Yeah, we got to get
that put together, and he's switching over. He's switching over to a soft top. Okay, now here's the thing, guys and women, I should say. We both really like four-wheeling without a top.
Yeah.
And I'll put up with the noise of the soft top going to and from. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so either way, we've got to get this thing wrapped up here pretty soon, because we got some trips that are locked down that we are definitely gonna be heading to fairly soon. So, well, early summer, I should say, late spring, early summer. So
there's not really much that's changed on this from the latest video, is there?
Nope.
I did.
Well, I don't know about that. There was no paint on it. It's been several months. So
yeah.
But I think that's about it. All right.
We had some troubles locking down a door. I have some video clips of the previous door, what was wrong with it. This one's in perfect shape, but it just needs the window assembly and handle mechanism.
Yeah, we found a few sets, but just some of the sets that we went and looked at or checked them out, they were not what we wanted, because it's, especially with the condition of this Jeep. So
yeah.
All right. This is just a little update, and we're actually cleaning the garage, getting ready to get back to work on this thing. Mm-hmm. And we've had a bunch of other things going. We're trying to get back up and going on videos on this and on our construction channel. So that about it?
Yeah. Well, hold on. There's one more thing. Christmas gift.
Oh,
okay.
So get this. Yeah. He's got this that he can work out of.
Well, these are for on the go.
But he just does not like using my Snap-on.
Oh, come on. Well, sometimes
that's what it is.
No, it's not.
I'm okay with that.
So this has just about everything I need for either on the trail or
nice. Yep.
And they even go large enough to I got a 19, so I can take my wheels off if I have an impact.
This is a nice DeWalt set.
Most of the wrenches you need right there.
Yeah.
Really, the only thing I'm seeing right now is that, isn't it like a 25 or something? No, it must be larger than that.
No, it's larger than that.
Is it like because it's twice the size of this 22.
Yeah.
It's a big old thing for taking off your hubs up front. So.
And one other thing, we had a few people that we were supposed to go wheeling with this past year, and we essentially, well, it just didn't work out. Sorry about that. We just got tied up into things, and like we literally, it's kind of sad.
Vader's been undergoing surgery too, because right before URI closed, we gutted the axle and all that.
We've done quite a bit to Vader as far as maintenance, and so. All right, let's wrap this up.
Yep. All right. What do we say?
That's it. I don't know. It's been so long.
Yeah.
We're out of here.
Yeah.